Hello everyone. Whenever I take a short break from my work, I like to share my perspective, my idea, my thoughts with you. Very often you listen from your business stakeholders comment on you that procurement is only about to collect three quotes from different vendors and push them harder and harder to reduce the price. That's all. Is it really true? Ladies and gentlemen, if you are one of those procurement experts and listening to me, I want you to comment your perspective in below comment section, okay? In my view, procurement is not only about what other business stakeholders prejudges across the organization. So, what they thought about us and what is the reality. Here, I am going to talk about how the procurement specialist is important for the company. Let us look in the main components of the company revenue hypothetically. For an instance, a company executive accepting that they have to pay 70% of revenue to external parties, and at the same time you say that procurement people do not need much brain power or they only make comparison of quotes. Ladies and gentlemen, how can it be possible, and what kind of manager are they if they assign responsibility of 70% of their turnover in the hand of people who do not need brain power? Now let me tell you about main goal of procurement expert. Main goal of procurement is to feed the company at the right price, at the right time, in the right quantity and quality needed material, products and services. Now ladies and gentlemen, hear me out very carefully. This is the most important point for all of us. How we as a procurement expert influence the financial results. Let's say 60% cost of your company financial is external cost, what your company has to pay to vendors and suppliers, and 30% for added value like depreciation, labor and fixed cost, and rest 5% is company margin. If procurement expert decrease or save the external cost by 2% of 60, then it will result growing the profit margin to 6.2, and in percentage it will become growth of 20% of current profit margin. Moreover, pay attention that the opposite effect can also take place. Also think about what efforts will it take from your sales and marketing department to achieve similar profit increase. Hence, it is proof that procurement is never been a cost center for company, it is always a profit center. This is called the leverage effect of procurement. So never underestimate the procurement department, and next time when anybody comment you like this, please make them understand that we can also impact your salary or your extra bonus. So friends, this is my perspective on leverage effect of procurement. What is yours? Please comment in below section. I am very curious to know your view on this. See you soon. Bye bye.